My name's Jason. I'm the manager at Play the Game, Read the Story. I work with Retro Game Con, put on board game areas at their cons and events.
And where are we right now?
We're in the Canyon area at Destiny USA in Syracuse, New York, having our big Tabletop Day event.
Yeah.
It was originally started by Will Wheaton on his show Tabletop that he used his YouTube channel. I think it's kind of grown beyond that. I'm not sure how much they do it, but it's something that it's become a yearly event that, I love board games, so we keep doing it.
So the whole family, me, my wife, my son, are all board gamers. So we typically go to the local friendly game stores, and we go to board game conventions, so we're regular board gamers.
My friends and I are all real big fans of tabletop games. We play pretty regularly, and I knew about the event through the Geek and Sundry from a couple years ago. This is the first time I've come to an event locally. It's a lot of fun. I'm glad that Play the Game, Read the Story is putting it on. My favorite tabletop game is probably The Thing, Exposure. The Thing, what's the name of the full subtitle for it? It's The Thing game.
It's really, I can't even properly answer that. I have so many that I love, and
All right.
What game stands out to you?
Typically for me, Euro games where you're moving resources around. Right now, probably Caverna, or there's also one called Hospelneck. We play that a lot.
Rhino Hero. It's always a go-to. It's simple, it's quick, it's fun, and you never have a bad time playing it.
We're all friends that knew each other from high school, so we just kind of got back in touch after college and have been playing together for a while.
We had a friend introduce us to it. About 10, 11 years ago in that area. And we ended up getting hooked on it pretty quick just because it's a lot different than playing online games.
I think a lot of it is the personal interaction. You're across the table, it's fun and exciting, you're right there having that social interaction. Video gaming is great, I enjoy it too, but there's something different about just having people right there in front of you. There's conversation that goes on around it. You're not just focused, it's the whole experience.
When you sit down and play a tabletop game, you're actually signing that social contract to sit across from someone, have a conversation, interact with each other versus online play.
Face-to-face contact in an age where there are so many video games and you're just playing online, it kind of brings everyone back together, playing together, and it gets the cell phones away.
All it takes to start a gaming group in a store is if you show up for a few weeks in a row and people know that you're coming, that'll usually more people will show up and it'll grow. Tabletop games available for play. We're giving stuff away. We have raffle tickets to support charity. We've got some local game centers. It's going to Extra Life and then from there it goes to the local upstate Alessandro Children's Hospital.
That's great.
Yep.
Today, we just finished playing Clank, and we played the expansion with the Mummy's Curse.
Can I see the box?
Yeah, box.
And what's that about?
You are travelers in ancient Japan going from Edo to Kyoto. Okay. So anyway, it's you travel on the road and things happen and you get points.
Tabletop gaming's been on the rise for the last few years, ever since 2001, 2002, right around the time Carcassonne came out, stuff like that. Settlers at the time, the other big ones, that started getting people back into the hobby of board games.
What moment stands out in your experience with tabletop gaming? What is the crazy moment that
Oh, that's a tougher question. I'm trying to think of a game where everything just sort of exploded, with a big twist.
We were playing Betrayal at House on the Hill, and one of our friends that was the betrayer, it was a pretty short thing. We lost pretty quickly once that happened. It was pretty fun though.
So there is a two-player game called Fog of Love. We played that a couple of times where you're basically taking on the role of two characters that are starting to date. And by the end of the game, you've actually developed this relationship and told this narrative that you're genuinely sad you don't get to continue it any further after the game is finished. So.
You will never meet those two characters ever again.
Ever.
And I was in tears.
Yeah.
I was so upset.